Postman's bin, Grandad's post bag, description of contents, toy bear ×2. No, I definitely didn't buy a toy bear. Does that look like a toy bear? No. I bought these because I've been using these connectors quite a lot on various projects, and I normally buy them in packs of a pair, male and female, and I've realised that I've actually got a lot of the female ones left and no male ones. So rather than buy another pack of male and female, I realised that if I bought these, which are designed for commoning up 5 batteries at a time to a single terminal, single socket, I can just cut these off and use them. So I don't build up a whole load of females that I don't need. And this is slightly cheaper than buying a pack of 5 of the others. So, bargain.